It's a greenhouse tour coming up next. Hi everyone, this is Audra with Urban Gardening. Today I am in Tinytown, Arkansas visiting my mother's garden. Here's my mother. It happens to be Mother's Day, so I thought it was fitting to do this on Mother's Day. Anyway, I wanted to show you her greenhouse that she has. This greenhouse was $200. It came from Harbor Freight in a box and had to be assembled. And it's on like a platform that they built out of wood. And she's got lots of different shelving units and things in here. And right now there's not a whole lot of plants in here anymore because the raising of the plants part is mostly done. And they are now out here. So if you come look over here, these are all the different plants that she grew in her greenhouse. We got tomatoes up here. I don't know, Mom, you want to tell about what you got here?
These are broccoli and eggplant and some summer squash are left, cucumbers, winter squash, and okra, and some more peppers, and some more tomatoes. We just had fun planting all kinds of stuff.
So we got a lot of different things, and after she grows them, then she transplants them into her big garden over here. And I'll just give you a little glimpse of that. She does raised beds, and as you can see, some things are already in there. So anyway, if you raise your own plants, I would love to hear about it. And if you have a greenhouse, see pictures. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.